Hey, welcome back to Overtime Garage, and tonight we're working on a special project related to the ski boat. This is my assistant, Bill Kev Nige, and
I'm his manager
he's going to explain
/ mechanic.
exactly. He's going to explain what we're working on. What did we do, Keldon?
Well, we got a hot water shower, which we're gonna use for when we're skiing or kneeboarding, which I like to do. So what we're gonna do is use these 3 wires, get it into the relay, and it will go to the plug wire, which goes up to the driver's seat.
So we're gonna install that pump right there underneath.
Right under here, on top of the gas tank where it will blow up.
Perfect. And we're gonna wire it to a switch on the panel. Which one of those switches?
It's the accessory switch
Okay.
back here.
So that will turn it on. But we'll have a relay to protect that circuit so it doesn't have to travel that far. Because the battery's right there, right?
Yep, right there.
Okay. Oop, lost that.
Oh.
Okay, what's next?
So we got right here the cold water.
We already tapped in, didn't we?
Got this started without you. Cut it. This is the cold water, which will have a ball valve just to adjust flow.
Okay, then the tube goes.
Then the tube goes up here, right here, it's this one.
Okay.
And then the hot water is down here in the engine little screw right there.
See if we can see it on this. Okay.
Right there.
And what hooks to that?
Then the
One of the ball valves.
ball valve.
Okay. And then the tube goes where?
Tube goes up here, and we're gonna tee it together. Well, yeah, we're gonna tee it together,
So hot and water will go. Hot and cold water will go to that.
and then there's a right through here. If you can see it, it's right there too.
So it'll come from the T
This
all the
one?
way up to, yeah,
This
up to the pump.
up to the pump, which will be right here.
Okay.
So, gonna do that.
Shall we get started?
Yep.
And then we'll show them the finished product. All right.
Hi, we're back from our last video, and we did put in the pump, which is right behind this, there, and right up here is the electrical, like we were talking about. There's a relay right here. There, if you can
We
see
got
it.
our power and our ground.
Yep, going
Couple
down to the
times.
battery.
Battery's right there.
Then it goes up to the driver's seat, like we said.
Okay.
And how we did the plumbing, we did teed right here, and it was cut before, of course. And we brought it up to here, which is where the ball valve went. Then we come down to here, which is hot water, turn on and off. And then up here, it's teed back together, cold, hot. Then it gets right up to here from under there. Goes up to the pump. Then comes into here. And I'll demonstrate here. Come up to the driver's seat. Accessories on. Long air. Means it's working, but since we're not on water, it won't have water yet. Once we get on the water, we'll be able to spray ourselves in the face.
Nice. Thanks for watching. Check out our next video by hitting subscribe. Later.